Sometimes you'll have a crash and you'll bend a prop but not know about it until you take off again and you get jello in your camera. Usually I'll just replace the entire set if I'm not sure and stick them in a box for safekeeping. But I've collected quite a few now and I think it's a shame to throw them away. Obviously I'll chuck away the ones that are cracked or chipped because they're no use to anybody. But I thought, what if I could recondition them? Well, here's an idea. You'll want to mount the prop onto something nice and stable. A 5mm drill bit does perfectly. Fits absolutely beautifully. I find my lathe is great for holding everything precisely, but of course not everybody has a lathe, so I'll show you how to do this without a lathe afterwards. Simply mount the drill in the chuck, insert the prop. Now here's the trick, get yourself a dial indicator. They're not expensive and there's a link below for where you can buy one. It has a friction mounting which lets you position it at any angle you like, and it holds really firmly once it's locked. I bring the indicator right close to the prop so it's just about touching. So all you do now is just turn the propeller around and then just have each blade touch against the dial indicator tip. And you can see very clearly which one is bent and which one is not. Just the slightest touch of the prop against the indicator tip will make it move. And just give the blade a neat little twist, put it into position. And then you're done. Nice and simple. So, like I say, most people don't have a lathe, but of course a lot of people do have a vise. So if you just mount your drill bits pointed side down so you don't gash yourself in the vise, put on the prop, and you've got yourself a nice mounting tool. Now it did occur to me after I filmed this that if you put a washer on, it makes it a lot smoother and the blade won't catch on the vise jaws. The dial indicator has a magnetic base, it'll fit onto almost anything. Simply put it into position, like before, just touching one of the blades. And again, give the prop a little turn until you can find out which blade is bent and push it into place. Simple as that. I've done this a few times with some old props which I've kept back, and it works great. The jello goes away, quad flies beautifully. Now props aren't expensive, but if you're on your last pack of props, you'll be thankful you tried it. Let me know how this works for you if you try it. Hopefully it'll save you a couple of pence. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Of course we all need the subs these days. Thanks a lot. Bye.